Today I'm going to be talking about this guy, the iScale Mercedes-Benz G63 or W463 in 1/18 size. iScale seems to be kind of a newish brand and an offset from another company called Kyosho. And they specialize on German brands like Volkswagen and Audi and Mercedes-Benz, and their designs seems to be on point. I was actually going to turn to Autoart for a Mercedes G-Wagon, but at 80 bucks or so for this guy, I just jumped on it. So box and packaging, I'm pretty bare, but I do have to say that I like when we at least get some graphics action going on. Very nice minimalistic design with basically just a brand name and a pic of the car you're getting, the Mercedes logo, and do note, this is not a toy, that's what it says in the box. So box not bad, not great. Removing the cardboard box, we are greeted to styrofoam, so the model is well protected, which is good. I would like my investment to not arrive broken. And from first impressions from the top, it's awesome and quite huge as well. Again, mine is in white color as seen on the box graphics. And after removing the screws from the bottom, look at this guy. Front fascia is stupidly good. The G-Class wording is front and center, and love those perforated grills. And the big ass Mercedes-Benz logo with the chrome accents again up front is excellent. It looks great. And it seems the front lights and LEDs were done in great fashion. Since they are transparent, they look less like toy pieces, which is always good. Bonnet opens, of course, and we can see the engine bay. It seems this one is kind of like a pic I saw for a 2018 sample on the motor trend site, and there are definitely a few differences and missing details, of course, but otherwise I believe it is a decent job. Something of note is that the bonnet opens completely, meaning you can't even bump it to the top of the SUV, and I'm not sure if this is, design intent or not, and I'm not sure if the same thing happens to the real samples. Hopefully not. Side angle looks very good. The lines done with a black plastic and chrome accents stand out, as well as the red interior. And these lines are not perfectly aligned, so if you are OCD with things, this model might give you headaches. But the wheels are nicely done. It actually has a bit of suspension travel, and the truck stance is quite nice. On the front tire, driver's side, we can see kind of a weird diecast termination there. I'm not sure how to call that, so kind of weak, but at least it's something you really don't see all the time. Paint appliance seems well done, and actually cannot spot any big inconsistencies, at least not on this side. Going into the vehicle with one hand was a hassle. I almost ended up breaking that door handle. But as mentioned, the red color on the insides is striking. It is even used on some stitching as well. The plastic dash is well done, and I like the gray chrome-like accents. The Mercedes-Benz name on the bottom is very classy as well. Even with this being just a model, it looks like a very comfortable and classy SUV. Too bad it's so expensive. The nice level of detail continues on the back as well. Although I don't really like those back light pieces. I'm not sure. They just seem too toy-like, in my opinion. They included the spare tire, and overall it looks fine. Opening the back door, and we are greeted with a spacious carpeted trunk. But I don't like those weak hinges that we have there. They work, of course, but they're kind of meh. Underside, nothing to write home about, lots of plastic, and the decent exhaust system in chrome is the highlight. But overall, it is good work. It has more than, most other brands do, actually, so. The wheels are connected to the steering wheel and action is quite nice, but wheels are wobbly and sometimes they don't all rotate at the same time. And I thought it was my sample, but I also got another one of these in gray and it suffers from the same thing, just wobbly wheels. I guess that's how it goes for this model. Overall rating, I give this a B-. I mean, the wobbly wheels, the hinges on the back door, which are kind of meh, some inconsistencies with diecast termination, a bit of misalignment on the lines, generic box, but overall it is well done and it is a bang for the buck, especially when compared to the Autoart model. I bought my gray one for $60 or so, and at that price it is certainly a steal, and it is a welcome addition to any collection. So if you find a sale on this guy, even at the standard, I don't know, $80 or so, it is a great buy. And I'm sorry I don't get very much into car discussion, as I'm not a gearhead or petrol head, but I hope you enjoyed this humble review. Any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to use the comment section below and follow me on Instagram at diecast_noob. Thanks for watching. Nos vemos.